don't understand the full meaning or what do we mean by outflow and inflow in crypto market, they just assume that inflow is when people are putting money into the market, and maybe the inflow will make the market to go up and will give them buying opportunity. Or maybe outflow is when people are removing their crypto coins or maybe money into the market. No, that is not the meaning of inflow and outflow. Trust me, by watching this video, I'm going to explain the meaning of outflow and inflow and how can you be able to use chance of inflow and outflow in the market to make profit, right? Inflow and outflow are key indicators in the crypto market. So if you are new to my channel, guys, kindly like this video and then don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification button before we continue. So let's go. Inflow means the amount of crypto entering an exchange. Like I said, inflow means the amount of crypto entering an exchange. When inflows increase, it usually signals that traders might be preparing to sell, which can create selling pressure and push price down. I want you to understand this very well, right? So outflow means the amount of crypto leaving an exchange. When outflows increase, it often indicates that traders are withdrawing to private wallets for holding, which reduce selling pressure and can push price up. So which wallet are they talking about? Why are they removing this from exchanges? You know, most of people always save their coins in a non-custodial wallet. Non-custodial wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet and other ones, right? So that is why I want you to know that they can remove the coins from exchange and put it in their non-custodial wallet. For somebody to remove coins from exchange and deposit it to non-custodial wallet, it means that he's holding it, or either he wants to stake the coin, which means they are not going to sell it anytime soon, right? So these are for investors. For example, if ADA/USDT inflow is around 141 million tokens and outflow is 121 million tokens, more ADA is entering the exchange than leaving. This could mean people want to sell. So for people to be depositing ADA into an exchange, it means that they are depositing it to sell it, right? So in selling, increasing selling pressure, which may cause the price to drop. In this case, a short position might be a better option, right? So if inflow plenty pass outflow, right, it means that people are depositing into exchange and they want to sell. For each people that are trading futures, you can decide to short the market, right? But make sure you do your proper analysis as well. But if inflow is 121 million and maybe the outflow is around 141 million, more ADA is leaving the exchange, meaning people may be holding or staking and reducing selling pressure. This could drive price up, making a long position a good opportunity for each trader. I hope you're understanding, right? So right now, for some people that doesn't understand this very well, I want to explain this also in pidgin, the way many of Nigerians will understand, because I believe that it's most Nigerians that always watch my video, right? So inflow, now waiting people send crypto enter exchange. If inflow too much, if it makes sell pressure, right? So how am I going to say, if he make say then one sell, and if many people sell, price feel drop, you understand, price go just fall yakata. Outflow now when people carry crypto comot from exchange, which means they want keep am for non-custodial wallet for long time holding. If outflow high, if it means say they want hold, and if many people hold, price fit go up. For example, if ADA inflow na 141 and maybe the outflow come dey 121 million, e mean say more people dey send ada enter exchange. Dey fit wan sell am, because for person to remove coins from normal non-custodial wallet and put it inside exchange, e mean say e wan sell. This one fit make price drop. So if you dey trade, you fit consider shorting market whenever you see say the inflow plenty pass the outflow. So all these numbers wey I put 120 something million, I just use am for example, una understand very well. But if inflow na 121 million and maybe the outflow come dey 141 million, e mean say more people dey withdraw. Dem no wan sell, dem dey withdraw am, maybe go non-custodial wallet, the one hold, maybe the one hold for staking or the one hold for long time investment, right? So if you know you really benefit from this video, this is the full meaning of inflow and outflow. If you know you really benefit from it, kindly like this video, comment and share to your family and friends, so that at least they will learn this indicator from trading, investment, or maybe normal in the market, right? So I'll see you guys in the next update.